Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you are all well. So now my topic name is about electromagnetism, but you should always subscribe my channel. My channel name is Defaulter Physics. So now I will start about electromagnetism. In physics, electromagnetism is an interaction that occurs between particles and electric charge via electromagnetic fields. The electromagnetic force is on the four fundamental forces of nature. It is the dominant force in the interactions of atoms and molecules. Electromagnetism can be thought as a combination of electronics and magnetism, which are distinct but closely intertwined phenomenon. Electromagnetic forces occur between two charged particles. Electric forces cause an interaction between particles with opposite charge and repulsion between particles with the same charge, while magnetism is an interaction that occurs between charged particles in relative motion. These two forces are described in terms of electromagnetic fields. Microscopic charged objects are described in terms of Coulomb's law, while electricity and Ampere's force law of magnetism. The Lorentz force describes microscopic charged particles. The electromagnetic force is responsible for many of the chemical and physical phenomena observed in daily life. The electrostatic attraction between atomic nuclei and the electrons holds atoms together. Electric forces also allow different atoms to combine into molecules, including the macromolecules such as proteins, and form the basis of life. Meanwhile, magnetic interaction between the spin and angular momentum magnetic moments of electrons also play a role in chemical reactivity. Such as relationships are studied in spin chemistry. Electromagnetism also plays several critical roles in modern technology: electrical energy production, transformation and distribution, light, heat and sound production and detection, fiber optic and wireless communication, sensor communication, sensor computation, electrolysis, electroplating and mechanical motors and actuators. Electromagnetism can be studied since ancient times. Many ancient civilizations, including the Greeks and the Mayans, created wide-ranging theories to explain lighting, static electricity, and the attraction between magnetized pieces of iron ore. However, it was not until the late 18th century that scientists began to develop a mathematic basis for the understanding the nature of electromagnetic interactions. In the 18th and 19th centuries, prominent scientists and mathematics such as Coulomb, Gauss and Faraday developed pneumatic laws which help to explain the formation and interaction of electromagnetic fields. The process culminated in the 1860s with the discovery of Maxwell equations, or set of four partial differential equations which provide a complete description of classical electromagnetic fields. Maxwell equations provided a sound mathematical basis for the relationship between electricity and magnetism that scientists have been exploring for postulated that such waves make a visible light, which was later shown to be true. Gamma, X-ray, ultraviolet, visible infrared radiation, microwaves and radio waves are determined to be electromagnetic radiation, differing only in their range of frequencies. In the modern era, scientists have continued to refine the theorem of electromagnetism to take account the effects of modern physics. So now I will discuss about ancient world history and ancient world. Investigation into electromagnetism phenomena began about 5,000 years ago. There is evidence that the ancient Chinese, Mayan and potentially even Egyptian civilizations knew that the naturally magnetic mineral magnitude or the attractive properties, and many incorporated it into their art and architecture. Ancient people are also aware of lightning and static electricity, although they had no idea of the mechanisms behind these phenomena. The Greek philosopher theories of Milleter discovered around 600 BCE that amber could acquire an electric charge when it was rubbed with cloth. So now I will discuss 19th century history. Electricity and magnetism were originally considered to be two separate forces. This view changed in the publication of James Clerk Maxwell in 1873, a treatise on electricity and magnetism. So friends, for my topic of electromagnetism. If you like this topic, so subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. So now I am go to my another video. Allah Hafiz, we will meet next video. Allah Hafiz.